Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here as always, and I just want to say all thanks and praises to the Most High God. So earlier when I was doing something, and then something just popped into my spirit and into my mind. Live in my mind, Lord. Live in my mind. Stay in my mind. So what I'm actually saying and what I got from that message is we need to be careful of what we hear and what our minds say and speak. And I just wanted to say that to you guys honestly. But with that being said, I cannot wait for a moment to finish cooking because listen, yeah, it's going to be a good one. So I just wanted to say that before I forget, ask the Lord to live in your mind and stay in it. Because when He does live in your mind and you invite Him to live in your mind, and trust me, I'm not a preacher or anything like that, but I have these moments when these inspirational and spiritual thoughts will come to my mind, and I can tell you, you need it because you need to block out the negativity, block out the distractions from the world, because there's a lot of distractions happening, and it is to take you away and your main focus from the Word of God, from what He promises us. Okay, because He promised and He's gonna stick by it. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So ask the Lord, live at the minute you start feeling distracted, live in my mind, Lord, live in my mind. Let's see what Mom is cooking, because I know you're gonna want some. So what's on the menu today? On the menu today is some curried goat. Mommy is going to cook this down, and trust me, this is well seasoned with all her natural seasoning, her herbs, her thyme, her garlic, her scotch bonnet peppers, you name it. And yeah, come on Mom, she likes when she's cooking, she goes all out into it. Like, don't know how to explain it to you, but she's really, and she's quite authentic as well. So like even here with her coconut milk, like she naturally like to use the one that, you know, when you're ox out the old coconut and knock it and broke it out of the shell. Yeah, she does really like the ones in the pack and stuff like that. Moving on with the coconut milk. Okay, so she basically would have gone through the whole work, cutting it up and blending it and stuff like that. This is some gungo peas as well. She's going in with her pimento berries, her garlic, her black pepper, and of course you will see a piece of butter in there, her scotch bonnet pepper, her fresh thyme, and her scallion. Yes, definitely. So that's what's going to be in the kitchen for today, and I'm taking you along the journey. If you already like this video, reach far into this video, leave a comment. Okay, so now we're going in with our rice. So Mommy obviously would have washed her rice and she's adding it into her pot. You can see all that custard oil. Oh my god, this pot is so flavorful, and honestly, if you're here, you could literally stay a mile and smell it. So we're just going to mix this all around, and what we're going to do is cover this pot now, and we're just going to allow our rice and gungo peas to steam down. That gungo peas is so classic. It goes well with like even brown stew fish and things like that, but of course with anything else. But it's such a classic. But some people actually prefer gungo peas as opposed to kidney beans. Some people prefer kidney beans as opposed to gungo. It's all down to what you like, but honestly, as long as your food cook well, that's the most important thing. You still hear the noise in the background of the pot? That's Mommy. And so of course this is our curried mutton pot, and what we're going to do is add our little bit of black pepper and of course our little garlic and stuff like that. Now guys, do remember to add a little bit of salt for tasting. So you would taste your pot. I mean, if you don't intake salt, then that's totally up to you, but just taste your pot so you know what it requires from what it doesn't require. Okay, maybe it have enough already, you don't need anything else. And of course we add in the remaining vegetables here, or I should say season, which is some scallion, carrot, Irish potatoes and things like that. You guys know the video is so self-explanatory and very visual, so you can see for yourself. Okay, so this is just me actually just sharing our dinner preparation for today. want you guys to drop me a comment and tell me what you're cooking for your dinner today. Or even if you're having leftover, what is it that you cooked yesterday? Because you need to be in my house today. Oh my God. The aroma is just amazing. Like even the gungo rice and peas does not need any sort of meat whatsoever, but we're still going to have a meat to it. I can't wait for mommy to finish because I obviously just want to eat, and that's just it really, and then relax and just like prepare again for the following day. Ignore the mess right now, but yeah, this is just sometimes just gotta be ourselves, just let down the hair, let it stay, you know what I'm saying, no makeup and all that kind of things. But yeah, definitely, honestly. Now guys, on a serious note, on a serious note, I just want to say that I truly deeply appreciate you all being here, and for those who hit the subscription button as well and you just joined my platform and you liked my videos, I really appreciate it. And of course, if you had tell someone about my channel as well, the same, and you said, hey, this channel is so and so, Tanya's Golden Hour, please go and check it out, I appreciate it. And you know, whatever we do it from the love of our heart and with sincerity, and I strongly believe in support all the way. And with that being said, I just want to always take that opportunity and time and to keep on doing what you're doing. I mean, I've seen a lot of videos when I'm going to work and or when I'm on the train and stuff like that, and obviously sometimes you watch and you're on the move, so you even forget to show your love, but the love is also here as well. Consistency is also very important and the key, and of course with just using things, you using discernment as well with a lot of things. So with that being said, yes, you will obviously see when this is plated up the curried goat, and it's going to be potato salad as well, and what else? Yeah, you see everything in this video. No, you will. So yeah, and then of course that's your way of actually having some of our dinner, because you know you're welcome to have some of our dinner, right? Okay, great. I'm just saying. That's it for dinner, served at its best. Authentic curry goat and gungo rice and peas and potato salad and some chicken, and I'm gonna dive in right now and then kick back and relax, and the rest of the evening is mine, because by the time I look, I need to set my phone to alarm for the next day. By the way, just in case you know of anyone or you yourself is in a planning mode of traveling and you need recommendations or whatever, you know, anyone going down, whatever, you know what I'm talking about, go and check my previous videos out and you will see where I mentioned about Jolly Days travel, and I did put the information in the description box there, where it is my friend and her husband, and they obviously partner together, so they are independent travel agencies, and so they can assist you with that. You can recommend them to someone that you know that need that sort of assistance as well in traveling and preparation and guidance. Okay, also they are on Instagram the same. Like I said, all the details is there on my previous videos and under the description box, so go and check it out. With that being said, thank you so much for joining me and my mom today in the kitchen. Happy Sunday. Leave me a comment, let me know what you're cooking wherever you are. It doesn't matter, I still want to know. I'm curious because I love food. But I don't eat it a lot, but I do love it. And thank you guys so much for watching and engaging with me in the comment section. Tell your friends and your family about my channel. You can like, share as well. Don't be a stranger and have a banter. Like, don't be stiff in the comment section, okay? You don't have to be, because I'm not that stiff, to be honest with you. So yeah, be yourself, okay? But of course, be very respectful, because it's all about respect here, because I don't tolerate disrespect. And continue to do what you're doing with consistency and you know, just kindness as well, and support one another. Okay, thank you.